Hey guys, so I'm testing out the 4K capabilities of the Nexus 5X. So as you can see, if I move my hand like this, it's keeping the frame rate nice. So of course you can also hear me talking, and with this 4K video size you can also touch to focus. You can also zoom in. It's pretty nice. That's the maximum zoom value we have. So I'm just gonna show you here how it will going to look like on close focus. As you can see, so of course the size of 4K will definitely be really high. Probably this video will be above like 2 GB or maybe 3 GB something. But of course I have this 32 GB variant, so I don't have to worry that much. So as you can see, look at that. Absolutely amazing focus. Wow. So it's almost evening time. It's definitely not that much bright. Still, I think it's doing a great job here. So yeah, that was a quick 4K test of the Nexus 5X. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.